World is up, everyone. Today we're going to be doing another YouTube video. I ordered a Pokemon pack off of Amazon. So let's see what we get in that pack. So first of all, here's the pack. This is the pack, I'm assuming. And then, oh, whoa. That's what's inside it looks like. Then I got a birthday card, because my birthday is December 21st. Okay, so let's open the card. Sorry, I'm usually not this rough. But, okay, so there's a little ape. Let's see what it says inside. It says, love you to the moon and back, XOXO. Okay, nothing else. Time for the grand finale. The Pokemon pack. The Pokemon pack is right here. Looks like she slipped in $10. Good. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here we go. Okay, this is the first. Oh my. That is crazy. I'll see you guys when I get this one opened. Okay, I got it open. I'm just shuffling the cards now. So the first card that I got, can't really see, but it's that. It is a Palkia, if I'm saying that right, GX. Okay, the second card I got is a Palkia EX. Then I got a Mewtwo EX, which I already have, so I will be giving this away. Do I actually have this one? Yeah, I might have this one. Then I got a Mew EX. Now I have a Metagross EX. Okay, now let me get to the good cards. Or, like, some more cards. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so now I have a, let's see, what is this? A Melatoia EX, I mean. Sorry if I'm pronouncing these wrong. Tell me if I am pronouncing it right. Okay, now I have a Mega Ampharos EX. Mega or Magazone EX. Mega Absol EX. Mega Venusaur EX. Mega Mewtwo EX. Mega Metagross EX. Mega Mantarix EX. Sorry if I'm pronouncing these wrong, but I haven't done an unboxing video on Pokemon yet, so okay. So here okay. The next couple cards I think are going to be really good. Mega Lucario EX. Mega Shikaman. Mega, or I don't even know what that says. Mega Tyranitar EX. Lucario GX. Oh, what? Luna GX. Let's see, what year is this from? 2018. Leafeon GX. Ooh, Landorus EX. Greninja EX, or GX actually. Yeah, GX. Drampa GX. My second, I have another one of these Charizard EX. Chandelure EX. My second Blastoise EX. Oh, this one's sick. Black Kyurem EX. Ampharos EX. Aggron EX. Probably the cutest one is next. Pikachu EX. Exorinus GX. White Kyurem EX. Volcanion EX. Venusaur EX. Sorry for the quality. It's my fault because I don't have a really good quality camera. But there's a lot more Pokemon cards, so stay tuned. Let's see, what is this? A Vaporeon EX. Ultra Nichrome Zoma GX. I think it's my second Tyranitar EX. Tycoreon EX. Absol EX. Now here we go. Solgaleo. I think that's what it is. The Sun Moon Pokemon. GX. Shaymin EX. Rygasteel EX. Rayquaza EX. Then, oh, I got 3 Rayquazas. 3 white Rayquaza EXs. Raikou EX. Mega Pymera Gordion EX. Pheromosa GX. Okay, let's get to the second pack. Okay, so our first card in our second deck is a Special Energy Fire. Okay, and then our second card is a Executive GX. Okay, then we have a White Kyurem EX. Then we have a Toxapex GX. Then we have a Soligo GX. Then one of my favorite cards of all, Tag Team, Rashima and Charizard GX. Another Pikachu EX. Mewtwo GX. Let's see. Magearna EX. Mega Gengar EX. Mega Gardevoir EX. Mega Densey EX. Oh, a sick card. Mega Charizard EX. Blue version. Then we have the regular Mega Charizard EX. And then the mythic version of Mega Charizard EX. Then we have a Mega Audino EX. Mega Ampharos EX. Then we have a Mega Alakazam EX. Then we have Lugia EX. Then we have Lucario EX. Latios EX, Lattice EX, and then Corgi EX, Kangaskhan EX, Jirachi EX. Then we have Hoopa EX. We still have this many cards. Then we have Ho-Oh EX. We have Heatran EX. We have Halicha EX. We have Gordon EX. And then another Gordon EX. Then we have Golem EX. Then we have Glaceon GX. Garatona EX. Gengar EX. Gardevoir EX. Garchomp EX. Florges EX. Entei EX. Duskmane Necrozma GX actually. Densey EX. Dalagia GX. Delphox EX. Oh, this one's sick. Dawn Wings Necrozma GX. And I'm going to be absolutely stupid if it's upside down, so just going to give you that. I'll give you a look of all the cards when I'm done. Daiquiri EX. This is a Cresselia EX. Another sick one. Charizard EX. Calistia GX. Ash Greninja EX. And then last but not least, I dropped it. I have no idea how to pronounce that. But if you watched till this far, how much money did my grandma give me? A, is it $5? B, $10? Or C, $20? And the answer is $10. So thank you guys for watching. Here's all the cards. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.